Hi, I'm Nikhil from Technary.com, and today we have got a tech news for you. So, Oppo F17 Pro is one of the most anticipated smartphones from the brand Oppo and is now available for pre-booking. Oppo F17 Pro will be released on 7th of September 2020. So, if you want to purchase this smartphone, kindly check out the link in the description below. So, let us have a look at the features of this smartphone. So the phone is having a weight of 164 gram. It has dimensions of 160.1 by 73.8 by 7.488 millimeters. The phone has 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD plus 1080 by 2400 pixels of screen resolution. This is a dual punch hole display with 409 ppi and has 16.7 m color support. There is in-display fingerprint 3.0. The phone has quad camera rear setup. It has 48 megapixels primary camera, ultra wide 8 megapixels and 2MP plus 2MP depth sensors. It has front camera of 16 megapixels and has 2 megapixels depth sensor. The phone comes with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of internal memory. This is a dual SIM handset and has external card slot supporting up to 256 GB. The phone is using Android 10 operating system. Basis Color OS 7.2. The phone is powered by 2.2 GHz MediaTek Helio P95 octa-core processor with IMG 9XM HP8 GPU. The phone has 4015 mAh battery capacity with 30-watt WOOC flash charge. It will be available in three color variants which include Magic Blue, Matte Black and Metallic White. The MRP of this smartphone is 25,990, though it is available at a discounted price of just 22,990. So if you want to purchase this smartphone, pre-book it right now. Check out the link in the description below. Do like this video and kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Keep visiting our website which is technary.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.